Alright, so I'm gonna be trying something new. It's gonna be like a day in the life vlog, but it's just me like I'm gonna probably title it Save Day One Saving for a Dream Car or something like that. But yeah, this is like the first video we doing, first day in the life video we doing. Everything that I go throughout the day. As y'all know, I'm a truck driver, so I drive trucks for a living. But I do other stuff on the side, just to earn some extra income. Sometimes it may be Uber Eats or whatever I gotta do. But yeah, man, I think I'm gonna just go to work today and just show y'all the ropes. And like I said, we're gonna probably call it like Day One Saving for a Dream Car or whatever. Walking to my truck right now, and then I'm about to get this day started. And yeah, man, I'll show y'all all the ropes and what I do and everything like that. But I am a local driver, so yeah, this is just what I do. Alright, so I usually just come by just like kicking the tire. All of that. Just make sure they ain't flat in there like that. And you just gotta check all of them and make sure they straight. I got a hammer in the truck, but since I'm vlogging at the same time, I thought I'd just take y'all along with me. Alright, I'm gonna turn left this. Alright, so now that I checked the tires, I'm just checking the lights, making sure they good. Gotta make sure all the lights work and stuff, so that's what I gotta do right now. Hopefully all gonna work. Alright, so I'm finna get on the road. It's like a 3-hour drive, and then I just update y'all when I get there. I probably do some little bit of recording while I'm driving. That way y'all can get like some footage. But then it's dark right now, so I'll wait till the sun come up because I leave out early in the morning. But yeah, man, let's get this day started. Alright, so we made it to get loaded. We get loaded right now. So once we get loaded, we're gonna take it back down and get unloaded, and then we're gonna go home after that and start doing our little side jobs to get some more money, and then we're gonna call it. Alright, so we just got back. About to get unloaded now. I'm still waiting in line. But yeah, it was a little trip. But we made it back. Yeah, we made it on back. I'm just waiting right now. Got a line in front of me, got like 2 trucks ahead of me right now. Then I go. Got 1 truck behind me. And then after that, it's time to go home and chill for a minute. And then, yeah, man, so we're just doing that right now. I'll let y'all know. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't doing all this when I come up here. You gotta wear a hard hat, safety vest, all of that. But I guess it is what it is, but I hate when you do it. Cause it's messing up my hair right now. And I just got my hair done like a couple weeks ago, and it's already looking bad. So I guess we just gotta put it on, man, and thug it out. Try to get another retwist soon, probably. But man, I just be hating it. Right now, yeah, man, I'm just waiting. Get unloaded. It's almost about my turn, and then after that, we're gonna hit the gym and go home. And focus on that. Focus on gym. But if y'all like get into CDL, especially locally, they got hourly pay and then they got by the load. What I'm doing is by the load. It's almost $3 a load. But we only do it like 1 time though. But if you like find something, you probably find like another job that get paid by the load, but they like do like multiple 2-3 times a day, but it pay like way less, so you gotta do 2-3 times a day to make that money. But me, I just only do it 1 time. So yeah, man, after this I'm gonna go home. I'm not gonna go home. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna go home and then try to edit this video, get it out tonight or tomorrow, and then we're gonna start over again. Also, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I am still kind of like camera shy. So I might be like, you know, like just stuttering and whatever like that. I'm trying to get over it as I'm recording. So I kind of like don't look directly at the camera sometimes, but I got to stop doing it and look directly at y'all. So, but like I said, I'm getting used to it. But this is a day in the life video of me truck driving, saving up to get my dream car, which is a Chevy SS. Or a wide body Scat. And if I do get a wide body Scat, I eventually want to pro charge it. I might pro charge the Chevy SS if I get one. I don't know, man. Probably do, because I like running boosted like motors, because they sound good and all of that. But yeah, so we just saving up for that dream car, man, and trying to get to it. I still got my Mustang, by the way. I just paused on doing content with it. But I'll probably be doing content with that in the future as well, because I got something planned for that too. So let me know if y'all want that content. Alright, so I just got back, about to fuel up, and then I'm gonna clock out. Gotta turn these numbers in, so I'll tune in with y'all when I get done. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up this video right here. I know I said I was gonna do some more stuff, but something came up, so I ain't gonna be able to do it today. I'm still gonna go to the gym. I just couldn't do my other side hustle and stuff like I wanted to. But let me know, man, what y'all think of this video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to post these like all month and see how they do. They do well, that's good. I keep doing these. They don't, I just try to focus on something else. Like I said, I'm really still trying to find a niche for the channel. Well, I already know what my niche is. It's car related. But you know, like I said, we just saving to get our dream car, man. We trying to get up there, trying to get to that next level. I would go ahead finance one, get one right now, but if it's not already making me money, why would I do it? So that's why I ain't did it yet. But I'm as soon as this is profitable, I'll start, you know, just looking for cars and start financing options like that. But right now, I ain't gonna do it right now. I just wait until it's that perfect timing. You know what I'm saying? Like right now, it's just telling me it's like that time right now to do it. Just stack up, grind, and that's what we doing, man. We doing 30, 60 day grind, 90 day grind. However long it take to get there, we're gonna get there regardless. But yeah, it's your boy Q signing off, man.